What a beautiful day to be alive. So in this quick and short video, I'm going to show you the ABCs in legit checking your ABC camo mask. So these masks come in 3 different flavors: vomit, blue raspberry, and bubblegum. They all have the same camo print, so you can use these tips and tricks on any of these 3 colors. There are several places on the camo that you should be looking closely at. They are here, 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 and here. And that's all you need to know to legit check your ABC camo mask. Following tradition, we're now going to head over to Grailed to test out our new knowledge on these ABC camo masks. First mask, looking at those several different places, we can see that the camo does not touch each other, so this is probably real. And looking at the packaging, it does seem legit. How do I know that? Well, you guys just have to watch my other video if you have not already. Second mask, same deal, same places, not touching, although this part here is very close. If you guys zoom really into it, you can see that it is indeed not touching, so it's probably real. Same thing again, packaging seems legit, so this is probably real. Third one, we can see that the packaging is not that legit. Camo print, let's look at the different places. You can see that some of the places are touching, and so this is a fake. Fourth mask, packaging doesn't seem that legit. Camo print, bam, 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 bam. Some of these places are touching, and you can look at the serial number. It's GRN for vomit, but we see that it's bubblegum, so that is not real. Fifth mask, again, same places, same deal, not touching. This very close to touching, but it isn't touching. And the final mask, the full camo isn't even there, so you know this is going to be a fake. But if we look at the spots that we can see, it's not only touching, it's overlapping. And there you have it, guys. Easy tips and tricks on how to legit check your ABC camo mask.